Good morning to all. Today we are going to see about design of 8 to 1 demultiplexer. First we are going to see about what is demultiplexer. It is a demultiplexer is a core act as a data processor. That means it has single input and give a many possible output. There are single inputs and multiple outputs and have selected lines. Next we are going to see about bin diagram and basic operation. There are 8 to 1 demultiplexer bin diagram. There was down. There are one data lines, three select lines like S1, S0 and S2 and 8 output lines Y0 and 2 Y7 enable pin EN. And next we are going to see about truth table for an 8 to 1 demultiplexer. There are 0, 0, the first line is S1, S1, S2, S1 and S0 and these 7s, 8s are the 8's inputs. That was Y0 to Y7. Last one is output. Next we turn to logic circuit design. Implementation the 8 to 1 Demux using gates. An 8 to 1 demultiplication can be constructed using a combination of logic gates, primarily AND gate and NOT gates intervals for the selected lines, and an optional of OR gates. There what they saying this line was the primarily AND gates and NOT gates are selected and the optional was OR gate. Decoded functionally. There was 3 to 8 decoder. AND gate was 8 inputs Y0 to Y7 and the selected lines are S0, S1 and S2. The enable logics are an enable pin if user can be connected to all the AND gate. The enable logic was connected to all the AND gate. Next we see the practical application. There was 4 application: telecommunication, memory addressing, data transmission and display drivers. Telecommunication means for routing data for a single transformation line to multiple receivers. Memory addressing means computer memory system select a specific memory location. Memory addressing means that which shown the specific memory location. Data transmission means a serial to parallel. Display drivers means a control multiple receiving segment. Example LEDs light and segment displays, etc. etc. Next was the conclusion. Fundamental building blocks and versatile components and mastering digital routing. Fundamental building blocks was demultiplexer are essential for data distribution and routing in digital electronics. Versatile components, that means the 8 to 1 demultiplexer find the widespread for communication to memory. Mastering digital routing. Understanding its design and operation is circular for anyone. Dividing into digital circuit design. Thank you for watching. Any questions?